In this video, I'll show you how to add a printer on your MacBook Air M4. This way you'll be able to print and scan using the Wi-Fi. So the first step in this process is to go on your printer and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as the one that your Mac is using. Now, it really depends on which model you have. For example, this Epson printer over here, you need to go in the screen and you're gonna have a right here Wi-Fi setup. Click OK, click another time OK, and it will go through the process of connecting it on your Wi-Fi network. If your printer does not have a screen like this one, you'll need to do this process on the app. If you have an HP, it's the HP Smart app. If you have an Epson, most of the time it will be the Epson Smart Panel app. And Brother too have an app, and other printers too. They all come with an app that helps you connect the printer to the Wi-Fi network. So once this is done, go on your Mac computer. Gonna go on the top left corner, click on the Apple logo, select System Settings. On the left side, we need to go down and select Printers and Scanners. Go down this page and select Add Printer, Scanner or Fax. Here they'll ask you to enter the username of your Mac and also the password. This screen will appear, and in this list you should see your printer, the name of your printer. Mine is this one. So click on it, wait a few seconds, and then you're going to click on the Add button. If your printer has a fax machine, it will ask you if you want to add it. I don't want that, so I'll press Not Now. And now the printer is added to your Mac. If you want to scan, the easiest way is to simply click on your printer that you find in this list. This is mine. And you're going to see Open Scanner right below. Click on this. Then on the left side, click on your printer. This window will open. And from here, you're going to see a result appearing. This is not saved on your Mac computer. It's just a preview. You need to change the settings and make sure everything is fine. And at the end, press Scan, and then it will get saved in the folder you have chosen right over here. If you want to print any documents at this point, it's very easy as well. Let's say I want to print this. Well, simply go select File and select Print. Then under Printer, make sure that your printer is the one selected on the top. If not, click here and select it. Make sure these settings are okay and press Print and it will work. This is how you connect and also how to use your printer on your M4 MacBook Air. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.